Most four-wheelers know that an air locker is an amazing traction aid that will transform any average four-wheel drive into a serious and capable off-road vehicle. What many might not know though is that you can no longer rely on the fact that the world's best designed locking differential system will always be the strongest. Whilst ARB continues to manufacture the original and still strongest air locker available, a flood of Chinese copies have come onto the market, undermining the consumer's faith in this amazing product. To find out more, we have travelled to the eastern suburbs of Melbourne, Australia, and the ARB head office, where the original ARB air locker is designed, manufactured and tested. We felt that the home of the air locker was the ideal place to put these Chinese copies to the task and see how you, the purchaser, could be duped if you unsuspectingly purchased one of these copies or felt that saving a few pennies was a good idea. To really put any mechanical device to the test, a professionally built destructive test rig is the way to go. And the ARB Air Locker test rig is fully equipped with force versus displacement data recording equipment and a minutely controlled hydraulic press. With an ARB air locker securely mounted and an off-the-shelf Toyota axle locked into the rig, watch how much twist can be applied via the chain, but also watch out for the impressive result. Under excessive force, the weakest point is clearly obvious with the axle itself failing. And this type of regular testing highlights one of the key design factors of all of the ARB air lockers, and that is that they all must be the strongest part of the complete diff assembly. This ensures that every originally manufactured ARB air locker is built tough to survive the rigours of any off-road situation. But we already know that, and we are here to see how these non-Australian air locker copies stand up to the test. On first appearances, they look the goods, but a trained eye and closer inspection reveals a worrying sign in surface finish and overall construction. So just how do they perform on the test bench? Using all of the same settings and an identical factory Toyota axle, the destructive test begins like any other. And whilst I did have some expectation of the outcome, the extent and intensity of the damage did surprise me.
It's copper and red. Oh, even better. It's copper colored anyway.
Whilst the axle remained virtually undamaged, the fake air locker was totally destroyed from the side gears to the carrier, and that would be the end of anybody's off-road weekend. There is no doubt that the ARB Air Locker is the world's best traction aid, but you need to ensure that you get yourself the real deal, and that is the Australian-made and original ARB Air Locker.